1iTech.
Hi there, welcome to 1iTech YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to showcase a fantastic project that's perfect for beginners or small pharmacy shops. I've built this website using Laravel, Bootstrap, and MySQL. If you're new to Laravel, this project is a great starting point for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's the homepage of our pharmacy management system. As you can see, it's clean and user-friendly. Let's explore some of its features. First up, when you click on the drug button, it takes you to the drugs page. Here, you can manage your drug inventory with a fully functional CRUD interface. You can create new drugs, update existing ones, delete them, and of course, view all the details. Let's try adding a new drug. See how easy that was? Now, on to the next feature. Next, when you click on the agent button, it takes you to the agents page. Here, we have another fully functional CRUD setup, but with a twist. You can also manage agent images. Let's edit an agent to see how it works. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's move to the selling table. In the selling section, you can manage drug sales. One nifty feature here is the autofill functionality. When you enter a drug ID, the rest of the details automatically fill in for you. This saves a lot of time and minimizes errors. Also, you can see the total sales amount displayed right here. Very handy. Oh, and before I forget, in the drugs view, you can see the agent's name. Clicking on the agent's name takes you directly to their details page. This integration makes navigating the site seamless. Thank you for watching my video. If you need the source code, I've attached the GitHub link in the description below. And if you're looking for someone to develop websites, AI projects, or mobile apps, feel free to contact me.